Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the Allure specification. So this car features 16-inch alloy wheels, sliding side doors, there's rear parking sensors. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. The car features speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 11,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.